is the attitude I'm feeling. I wanna put a knife to my neck and start peeling. Pain and misery is all that I'm finding. I'm real close to tripping out like The Shining. Complete annihilation of my own soul. It's not a dream, it's my motherfucking goal. Having visions of a dripping bloody hatchet. Jerking off while I'm in a fucking straitjacket. I wanna take a bath in gas while your girlfriend lights my ass. Oh my gosh, all I see is the darkness. I'm jerking off on your grandmother's carcass. Diarrhea, bad case of the shits. It's better off that I slit my wrists. Damn.
Whoa. Ain't no reason for you to be talking some crazy shit like that, you know what I'm saying? Now I know life is rough right now, you know. The money ain't there, there's a lot of problems that you're dealing with, man. But yo, you need to go and take that fucking anger that's inside you, man. Put that shit to good use, you know what I'm saying? Against all these motherfuckers on TV, talking about all the ice that they got. Talking about the MTV crib that they just moved into. You know what I'm saying? Talking about all the money that they made off the bullshit records that they sold.
Now, repeat after me. You want that shit? You better take that shit. You want that shit? You better take that shit. You want that shit? You better take that shit. Now put your anger to use. I want your shoes, I want your clothes. I want your car, I want your hoes. I want your house, I want your weed. I want to make you fucking bleed. I want your rims, I want your wife. I'm gonna take your fucking life. I want your pool, I want your cream. I'm gonna make you fucking scream.
Yeah, that's what the fuck I'm talking about. Now that's the kind of shit that I like to hear, you know what I'm saying? Now let's go take this shit a step further, you know what I'm saying? You outside one of these motherfuckers' houses, you know what I'm saying? And you got your gun in your hand and you got that anger. Now tell me what you would do.
Now move up on him nice and slow and put 2 shots right in his hole. Now take the gun and aim it high and tell him that he's gonna die. Now take his watch and take his phone and proceed to go inside his home. And if he tries to run away, you shoot him in the light of day. Now take his rings and take his shoes. Don't worry my man, you got nothing to lose. And that's the way the game is played. And all bullshit rappers will get slayed.
They say you're not a real baller if you don't have a certain type of car, you know what I'm saying? Well, let's see if these real ballers know how to stop a motherfucking bullet. Yo, I'm the fuck out of here, man. Catch me on the news.
I've been raised on television to believe that one day we'd all be millionaires and movie gods and rock stars, but we won't. We're slowly learning that fact. We're very